This is a review of the Dokotoo puffer lightweight jacket that I would highly recommend. This is for women's and it's an XL. And so far, this is for my sister, and so far she likes it. What is, the cool things about this jacket is that you can see it's 100% polyester, and the fabric material is very high quality as well too. It comes with the zips and they open and close very normally, like how it's intended, and it doesn't have any interference or anything like that. You can see that it comes with pockets, and the pockets are very spacious, and the one right here, so one for the left and one for the right. The what I like about it is that it is 100% stretchable, so you could this is for, like, for example, this is an XL, and you can see that if to put your arms around, it's really comfortable. It's very stretchable, so you don't have to worry about if it fits you or it doesn't fit you. It's like an elastic material where it's stretchable, and that's one of the things I like about it. The next thing I also like about this jacket is that it's really lightweight, and it doesn't have that much weight on it. It's really lightweight, so if you're worried about a jacket like for the fall or winter time that's too heavy, this is not probably one of those jackets. It's good to wear for the fall and for the light cold weather for the winter. It's lightweight, and the next thing about it is that it's really comfortable as well too. It has like the inlays of the inside is really super comfortable and super soft. I would highly recommend the Dokotoo jacket if you are looking for a jacket that you want to wear for the fall and winter, like the light winter seasons. And this is probably one of the best seasonal fall jackets that you could get, since it's super comfortable, super lightweight, and it's pretty much 100% polyester, and it's very pretty much a breathable, lightweight puffer jacket. And this is probably one of the best jackets you could get for women.